Detecting Talk of the Day, Monday, October the 16th, 6:47 a.m. Central Daylight Savings Time. The bird dog set up on this GS2. You know, I sent a video to the XP owner. He has responded. I'm going to read you exactly what the gentleman told me in case folks are wondering. You folks that are not familiar with what I'm talking about, you need to go watch my YouTube channel and take notes, okay? It can get you some finds out of sights, alright? See if I can get this open here right quick. Hang on just a second. Alright, I'm going to read it to you verbatim. Hi, David. Thanks for your feedback. Yes, you can do this to accept more mixed target. That's a good idea. But you will also find some nail in the infested area with value 0 through 2. Well, okay, we know that. Good idea. That's the key part. That's coming from the owner, okay? So you all put as much stock into that as you want. Sharpshooter is a straight shooter. There ain't no joke about that. I am a pretty straight shooter if you pay attention to that and some of them other videos I do. Well, I'm fixing to fire this Toyota up, boys, and we're going metal detecting. It's been raining here, but I'm going metal detecting. I think I am, if this man shows up down here where we're supposed to meet. Hope everybody has a nice day. I may shoot some camera footage and see what I can see. I'm going to be running the bird dog system today. Hope you enjoyed.